Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, which is for an intermediate pole combination. So right now I'm just taking you through that combination, just showing you what it looks like to give you an idea of what you'll be working on today. So ideally you've already got your D quite strong and your sneaky V. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start low on the floor in a crouch position. The left hand is up the pole and the right hand sweeps forward past your legs to take you to standing. Then what you do from there is you're kind of going to move through, it's as if you're going to do a cradle, but you're not. So you're going to put your right hand on in a split grip, left hand still pulls at the top, right thigh jumps onto the pole, and the left leg is going to go up, and then your ankle is going to hook on. So that left ankle is going to travel towards the pole now. And when the foot reaches the pole, you want to lower down a little bit with your hands, because this is going to make the push easier as you get into the D. So if you bend a little bit in the bottom arm and swing the bottom leg, you should be able to push up into this D position. And so we've got left hand high, so we're going to see if we can release the right leg, keeping that left ankle on line with the pole. And then from there, if you feel like you've got the right grip to do so, that leg that's bent, which is the right leg in this case, you're just going to pull it in, post the knee through the gap between your body and the pole. So it's the knee you want to think about, and then the toes. This will just direct your leg in the right place. And then you find the outside of the back of the knee, get it as tight as possible, and then once you feel that grip, you're going to release the top leg, which is the left leg, and drop it down. You can take a high release in the chest, take the head back, and drop the left leg down. And now that left leg's free, you want to use the momentum from that leg to help you get into this next position, which is your sneaky V. And again, you want to bend into the bottom arm a little bit. So that leg's helping you come over to the top, and so is the bend in the bottom arm. So you should actually be looking up the pole at this stage. I clearly didn't feel like that on this day, but it would, I'm correcting myself, I would actually suggest looking up the pole, because you kind of get a little bit more balance that way. So that outside leg's going to come back onto the pole, so you're kind of in a genie position. And then your top hand, which is the left hand, is going to reach above the top leg. Bottom hand is just beneath the top leg, and you swing that bottom leg right the way around to the back of the pole. Keep your right hand on, and you're going to drop down into a Gemini or an outside leg hook. Once you feel comfortable there, your right leg swings back. Try and get the pole as high up your thigh as possible, because that's going to create a little bit more grip and prevent you from putting your hands back on the pole. So that's just a Gemini to Scorpio switch. And then once you've made that switch, you put your hands down, but notice that my torso is in front of the pole. The pole is resting along the back of my body. I then make a switch with the legs, so I'm going from an inside leg hook to an outside leg hook. And as I release the inside leg hook, I do it a big semicircle to kick off, little handstand off. And then I'm just going to show you it one more time now in normal speed. So feel free to go back and pick out and rewind whichever version or whichever parts of the combination you need to see. And of course you can try it both sides as well if you fancy it, or make your own variation, which is always a fun thing to do. And you can add a little bit of random movement on at the end if you fancy it, that's how I like to play in my training. And thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it.